this wonderful event package, our state coordinator. Proper. What is worth doing is worth doing well. And that's exactly what is happening today. So, first of all, I want to congratulate you. Those that have been inaugurated today. I say congratulations. You have been empowered. See, you have been empowered to cause a change, both for yourself and for the society. Today will mark a new beginning of an era in your life and your professional services. One of my happiest moments, personally, is the fact that I studied SLT in the area specializing in pharmacology. SLT, just like he was saying, the national government has given me a leverage, a voice all over the world. Several times I've stood before the UN, addressed presidents of all nations in the area of science and technology. By the practice of SLT, if you Google my name, I'm one of the 100 innovators globally, and those by the UN for the Sustainable Development Goals. Out of over 8 billion human beings, seeking you out to be 100. In Africa Union, and also they are celebrating SLT in my life. And this is what I am the ICT innovator right now in the whole of Africa. That is what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? What the key in your hand, SLT, is what Nigeria needs to be changed. Most of the time I meet our students who are studying SLT, come for help or what do you study? Why are you not working? I just study SLT, no work. I said, you say what, no work? You study the king of courses. SLT is the king of courses. The mother, the queen. Nothing comes from the factory without you. You don't need to struggle with the people that study medical lab science. No. Your profession, pick there. It is what you produce, what you design that they can use. Actually, without you, there is no other profession that can exist. So you have been elevated to be and do more. I deliberately brought this. I didn't put down to give this. This is one of the best goggles, medical, right? AI goggles, invented by SLT students in the University of Science and Technology, Hong Kong. Just wearing this, 15 minutes, it corrects, detects, diagnoses whatever is in the eye. Invented by SLT University of Science and Technology, Hong Kong. Fortunately, this is the only one in the whole of Africa right now. So what am I trying to say? Go and excel. Go and make impact. You said something in your speech. Say you are going to carry on with the culture of innovation. Innovation, research is the key. I'm a patent holder by the federal government of Nigeria through SLT. Based on what I researched in my private lab. I'm not paid by any government institution, but right in my private lab. I'm a patent holder. How can you excel? Let me summarize this. You are going to excel more than any other person, and you will go beyond the level, limit of this environment. You will go global by taking care of 3 laboratories. I'm handing over to you. Maybe you know the 4 walls of the laboratory, but today hear me. There are 4 laboratories that you are going to work on. Number 1, he said it. He said the laboratory of the brain.